Manita Alahan, updated, July 17, 2018 1905 Ice. Did you know that there's a special day for chocolates? Yes, it's 7th of July. Can you believe that? But, how could anyone limit celebrating chocolates to just one day? For foodies, and particularly chocoholics, every day is a chocolate day, isn't it? And, this sweet love is not just for them, it is for everyone who seeks eternity in chocolates. We cannot count the appealing dishes that chocolate has bestowed upon us, but some of the prevalent ones are chocolate cookies, chocolate mousse, chocolate-glazed donuts, chocolate-dipped churros and, of course, the ever-famous chocolate cakes. So, here we are with the Great Biscuit Chocolate Cake recipe, which is quick, easy and gourmet, and if you are someone who does not bake much, it's going to be a piece of cake for you as well. Also read, everything you need to know about cake frosting. Everyone seeks eternity in chocolates. Preparation time 5 minutes. Cooking time 10 minutes. Ingredients for chocolate cake: 2 packets of crunchy chocolate biscuit, 1 cup of milk, 1 packet of fruit salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. How to make biscuit chocolate cake: take the chocolate biscuits and crumble them in a bowl. Put 1 cup of milk, fruit salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar and crumbled biscuits in a blender and blend it till you get a fine batter. Preheat the microwave for 1 minute on cooking mode. Take a baking tray and grease it with cooking oil, spread the batter in it. Cook the batter for 10 minutes in the microwave on cooking mode. Insert a toothpick into the cake to see if the cake is cooked properly. Now, take out the tray after the cake is done so that it doesn't dry out. Pair this biscuit chocolate cake with vanilla ice cream or chocolate sauce with some nuts for an enticing dessert. Disclaimer: the opinions expressed within this article are the personal opinions of the author. NDTV is not responsible for the accuracy, completeness, suitability, or validity of any information on this article. All information is provided on an as-is basis. The information, facts or opinions appearing in the article do not reflect the views of NDTV, and NDTV does not assume any responsibility or liability for the same.